is don't you have to be 55 or older to even be on AARP? You know what it's time for? Oh, I forgot to put gas in it. Let me put gas in it, Rope. Oh, I don't know if I have any. Oh no. Well, this is a little interesting. I just put probably 4.5 gallons in it, but I noticed when I opened this, look how disgusting this is. I mean, this looks like this car had been sitting for years under a tree. Like, it is covered in mildew and mold. I don't know how well that comes out on camera, but take a look. Yep. This car has been sitting for quite a while. The trunk is open again. What the hell? How does this keep coming open? Damn Impala is possessed. I'm probably poking the buttons or something. Okay, we've got almost 5 gallons of gas. It's still running. I've got the booster pack in the back. I say it's time that we take this bad boy for a ride.